Multiple resignations.
We will leave the EU in a smooth and orderly way on the 29th of March 2019.
A hostile opposition.
What on earth has the government been doing for the last 2 years?
A divided Conservative Party.
We're on the verge of making a historic mistake.
Theresa May is fighting the battle for her own political life. Despite MPV's arrest scenario, she's still at the helm.
In any negotiation, you do not get everything you want. You need to identify what your vital interests are and stick to them.
So far, critics in her own party have struggled to get the support of 48 MPs, a minimum requirement to begin a no-confidence vote process. Only 26 have so far publicly backed the move, and the Oust-May plan appears to be losing steam. Analysts believe there's no one really wants to step into her shoes and associate themselves with the chaotic legacy of Brexit. Experts say though May's detractors oppose her plan, they themselves don't have an alternative strategy. And a leadership contest exposing all the divisions in the party in the middle of the Brexit negotiation doesn't augur well politically for the Conservatives. One more reason is the numbers, or the lack of them, to approve May's Brexit plan. Out of the total 650 MPs in Britain's House of Commons, May needs support of at least 320 to sail through. Out of the 315 Conservative members, at least 70 oppose her present Brexit deal. May's coalition allies, the Northern Irish Democratic Unionist Party, are also expected to vote against the deal. The opposition Labour Party, with its 257 MPs, are likely to reject May's proposal too. The remaining Scottish National Party, with 35 MPs, and other smaller parties are also not likely to offer any support to the deal.
Before Christmas, MPs will vote on this deal. It will be one of the most significant votes that Parliament has held for many years. On it will depend whether we move forward together into a brighter future or open the door to yet more division and uncertainty.
The plan, it seems, is clear. Instead of a few Tory MPs triggering a coup against May and being blamed for starting a political crisis, let the House of Commons do the same job and script Theresa May's downfall. With 9 said, Wang Dongxuan for CGTN.